So this is my friend's house. So basically the house was blown up around and it's just strewn throughout here. So what you see is the washing machine over here to your left. You can see some of the insulation from the home. These are like the steps to a little child's bed. They're just really in shock right now. As a community here in Lee County, we're very resilient, and we have people here from all over the community to help clean up debris, pick up whatever we can.
The disaster we're at here today was about 1,800 yards wide, 60-some miles long, and if you were in the path, whether you were rich, poor, whatever color, religion, or politics you had, it was going to hit you and affect you. And with the help of outside organizations like the Home Depot Foundation and Team Rubicon, we're able to come in here and support the community.
We had a lot of requests from the local city government. They were looking for ways that we could help them. They had a lot of needs, and we wanted to be able to fulfill them.
Well, we actually had 5 associates that were impacted by the tornado. So this has just been wonderful for our local District 301 team to come and participate in the community and support our team that's based here.
Just to make sure that everybody's taken care of, and just being able to be there for them and being a shoulder to lean on, both for associates and our customer base and the community, is a wonderful thing.
It's really heartening to see that just neighbors helping neighbors. I think these disasters bring out the best in a lot of people.
We've got the land here, and so we'll rebuild, put homes back together, families staying together, and just stay strong as a community.